Hi, this is Maureen from A Premier Travel. We're here today at Secrets Resorts in St. Martin on the French side. Fernando is here with me, and we're going to do a tour of the Presidential Suite, room 7106.
Hello, good morning. My name is Fernando. I'm the UVC Member Services Executive. I am the head of the membership servicing on the resort of St. Martin. I cater to all executive members that are part of the Secret Resort family, and I'm happy to give this tour.
So let's go in and see this wonderful room.
As you can see, as you enter the room, you have your visitor's bathroom. In case you have any visitors that are coming in to greet you on your stay in. Nice settings. As you can see, the presidential suite is the best accommodation that we have in Secret Resort St. Martin. If you come with more than one or two family members, we could enlarge this presidential with, as you can see, that has an addition door that connects to the other side of the building. We do have a suite upstairs too. We will get to that momentarily as we finish our tour at the front. This is your main greeting hall, sitting area, your dinner table.
And then here we have the bar set up with your Replenish Daily mini fridge with salt drinks, bottled water, and beer. We have plenty of glasses there and more down here. Since you are in the presidential suite, you might be entertaining for business or for pleasure, large families. Nice dining room table setting. And we have doors right outside that we'll show you in a moment.
I need to remind you, the bar is replenished every single day by our bar managers. Or you can call room service if you need any additional attention to be taken care of.
Come in here to this nice sized living room. Beautiful flat screen TV. All decorated in nice soft blue colors, like you're right in the ocean. And always with Secrets, there's never any wristbands needed, and 24-hour room service is included in every room type. So let's go outside and see this beautiful setting.
As you can see, the presidential suite always comes equipped with, you have your own swim out at the front and your own personal pool on your porch.
We have views of the marina. Nice couch and chairs, and of course a day bed, which is always fabulous. And you can pull down the sides to protect from the sun or the wind, and 2 lounge chairs. Total peacefulness here and quiet. And then access to the swim up on the other side. Swim out.
You are situated in the French side of St. Martin. As you know, St. Martin is divided into 2 sections. You have the Dutch side and you have the French side. We are currently residing on the French side. This part of the island is called Anse Marcel. It's secluded, it's away from everything. As you can see, trust me, on your way in, you will see that you'll be coming into a very beautiful piece of paradise.
And like Fernando said, we can connect into this other room, which is a full suite. So it gives you a whole nother sitting area, as well as a king-size bed in the other room, and the swim out feature as well. So now we're going to go upstairs and see the bedroom. You can make it.
As you can see, presidential quality. You have your main king-size bed with your porch overlooking the lake.
Always a king-size bed. Nice curtains here. We have our phone there. There's always an iPod in all rooms, giving you the information of what's going on for the day. Screened in here, so no bugs get in. Great Adirondack chairs out here. They're very comfortable. I've been sitting in mine quite a bit. And it's just very peaceful and quiet in this room, in this section of the hotel.
The beautiful area too of this particular presidential suite is the beautiful bathroom area. It also comes equipped with a walk-in closet and a bathtub.
So you never have to leave your room if you don't want to.
Exactly.
Rainforest showers. Separate area for the toilet. Soaking tub with views of the marina. Beautiful walk-in closet. And of course, robes always come.
Yep.
With a hair dryer, steamer, and you have your safe that is large enough for a laptop.
Yep.
And the makeup mirrors light up, which all of us ladies like. Bathroom amenities included, of course, always with Secrets Resorts.
Always replenish on a daily basis.
And then we have our double sinks, plenty of space, plenty of storage space. So when you're ready to book your next Secrets Resort vacation at Secret St. Martin's or any of the AM resorts, please call the experts at A Premier Travel. Thank you.
Welcome.